Hey guys, Giver here. Got us an Hour of Devastation booster box we're going to open today. Went to my local gaming store and picked this up for us. We're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'll go through the cards off camera, and then I'll come back, figure out what we got left over, and we'll do us a giveaway. How's that sound? Sounds pretty good, right? So, be right back. And we'll start opening this bad boy. Let's see what we get. All right, let's get into it. This isn't the official Alpha Investments knife, but I think it'll do. Maybe if Rudy ever watches this, I need the make and serial number of the knife you use. Seems to work out pretty good. But let's go ahead, crack this bad boy open. Yeah. Alright, get rid of that plastic, all of its glory. Oh, gotta let Nicole Bolas here watch us. Maybe he will give us strength when we open these cards here. My God, Master Nicole. So, let's get these bad boys out. 12. 24, 36. We'll go ahead and throw that out of here. Boom. 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 So, let's get these open. See what we get. All right, time to get to it. Let's crack these bad boys open. Start with the left-hand side. Why not? So, first pack. We'll try not to butcher them. I butchered a few cards in the last video, so I don't even. Oh, that one didn't take anything to open. Huh? Alrighty. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm still not good at opening these things. Alright, let's just throw that over there. We got a bunch of commons. Nobody cares. Let's just get to the uncommons. Get the Sifter Worm, Crypt of the Eternals, Banewhip Punisher, Angel of Condemnation. I already had her, and a Forest. All right. Yep. Go ahead and put that girl there. Commons there. Let's move these packs out of the way here. All right. Let's open another one. Bloodwater Entity, Sunset Pyramid, Vile Manifestation, and Imminent Doom. Okay. Let's see. You know what, guys? I'm gonna move my camera a little bit. I'm having a hard time seeing. Alright, let's try this. I got a little lighting changed. I think I got my no more shadows. Not real sure. I don't really know here. Let's see. So that's going to be a land and the rare and the 3 uncommons. So let's just do it like this, shall we? Imaginary Threats, Sunscourge Champion, Riddle Form, and Ramantap Hydra. Okay. Keep the dream alive here. Let's see what else we can get out of here. So it's going to be the last. Yeah, there we go. Supreme Will, Appeal, the Devotee of Strength, and Dream Stealer is our rare. Okay. See what else we can get. Kind of looking for, I don't really know what I'm looking for. I tried to go to a draft tonight. They said they were going to have that going to play kind of my first game of Magic in a long time, but they ended up canceling it because of that boxing match or whatever. I'm not real big into boxing, so I don't really know, but apparently it's a big thing. Oh, foil. It's just a common, but still, it's cool. Foil. Still need to figure out the best way to set up this camera. Not bust those up every time. So rare, 1, 2, 3. Just dump that. That around. Farm market. Ominous Sphinx. Claim to fame. And reason to believe. I think that was a Rod Stewart song or something. Alright. There's that. Sorry if the camera's shaking a little bit. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to set up my camera on these videos. If anybody knows, then I would love if somebody could tell me how the best way to set this up would be, because I'm struggling here. Alright. Resolute Survivors, Quarry Beetle, Ifnir Deadlands, and Overwhelming Splendor. Man, out of all the rares in the set, I seem to keep getting the same ones over and over again. I think I got that Overwhelming Splendor the last time, but it is a mythic. I have a hard time identifying those mythics, but that's a pretty cool mythic. So that's mythic right there. So, there's another foil. Probably just a land, but who knows? Critical Condemnation, Merciless Eternal, some Dunes, Honor of Glory, and, yep, foil common. What'd I do with my foil? Oh, there it is. Forest, zombie token. Here. Just throw that over there. That's going to be land. That. What do we get? Burning Fist Minotaur, Sunscourge Champion, the Locust. God, oh, another mythic, and a foil rare. Oh, what a pack, boys! Heck yes, that's pretty cool. Move that over. Huh? Nifty, 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 nifty. Alright, got 3 more in this bundle here. So we'll flip that, rare uncommons. Get the hang of it for too long. Steward of Solidarity, Sand Strangler, Vizier of the True, and Solemnity. I think that's a pretty good one. Oops. Put that there. Gideon's Defeat. Man, all these guys get defeated. Sinuous Stalker, Unraveling Mummy, Torment of Hailfire is another rare. Last one on this bundle. Hey, there's that guy again. He's everywhere. Hope Tender. Sign. Bentu's Last Rake. I really like this card. I was reading this one. Glad I got 2 of them. Maybe make a black deck or something. Alright. I'll be right back and we'll open up the next. Alright, guys. Let's get the rest of these bad boys opened. Trying to figure out the best way to open these packs. Maybe this way is a little bit better. Let's see. See, we got Resolute Survivors. This is Defeat, Overcome. there's a rare Daru with eyes wide. Eyes with eyes open, anyway. Put that there. Put those there. Hey, we got another foil act of heroism. It's just common, but still, foils are always cool. Some of these packs just open no problem. Some of them you gotta have a jackhammer. It's pretty kind of random. Anyway, Manticore Eternal, Desert's Hold, Eternal of Harsh Truth, and Abandoned Sarcophagus is a rare. I kind of like the pull apart method. Seems to work alright. Let's get our commons out of here. Alright, Sunset Pyramid, Doomfall, Inferno Jet, and Kefner's Last Word, and a Forest. I think we should definitely have some cards to give away after all this is said and done. So we got a Bloodwater Entity, Tenacious Hunter, Dunes of the Dead, Ramatap Excavator is our rare. Let's see here. Hashep Oasis, Obelisk Spider, Dunes of the Dead again, and Chaos Maw. It's rare. So Fervent Paincaster, Angel of the God Pharaoh, another one of those Minotaurs, and Champion of Wits. Just rare. You know, I have a really hard time figuring out which ones are mythics, which ones are rares. I guess I just can't see that color. The fat pack that I opened. It wasn't until after I started cataloging the cards I found out I had 2 mythics. And there's 10 packs. I was kind of excited about that. That was pretty cool. Another Angel of the God Pharaoh, Ominous Sphinx, Claim to Fame, and oh, the Scarab God. Okay, so there's a mythic. We got the Locust God. We got the Scarab God. Everybody's coming out to play. I think those look pretty good. These are some of the, maybe some of the sought after cards in the set. I don't know. I don't get to play Magic very often. I was really looking forward to trying that draft tonight, so I kind of see what's good and bad. Sometimes it's hard to really tell until you actually play the game. Unconventional Tactics, Supreme Will, Saving Grace, and Mirage Mirror. Jace's Defeat, Obelisk Spider, Overcome, Pride Sovereign, Sifter Worm, Struggle to Survive, Devotee of Strength, and Rona's Last Stand. Poor Rona. Don't know who she is, but that was her last stand. She's probably not doing too hot. Let's see. Got ourselves a Hope Tender, Hashep Oasis, Torment of Scarabs, and Nimble Obstructionist. Cursed Horde, Magmaroth, Banewit Punisher, and Hollow One. I already had him. And our foil, it's just a foil common, but, you know, foils are cool. What we got? Poor Camel. He's all alone. Magmaroth, Vizier of the True, Vizier of the Anointed, and Hazarel's Unending, or Undying even, ooh, Fury. And then we got us a, hey, foil rare. That's pretty cool. I think it's 2 foil rares here. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Just clean this up a bit before we move into our last stack of cards here. Kind of like the empty packs are just encroaching their way upon me. I'm just going to start throwing these on the floor. Whoop. And we got Razaketh's Right, Sand Strangler, Vizier of the True, and Hour of Promise. Steward of Solidarity, Imaginary Threats, Consigned to Oblivion, God Pharaoh's Gift. See, can't be that bad. If he's giving people gifts, you know, I'd like to have that. Wouldn't you? I mean, I don't really know what it is. It's like a waterfall, but it'd be a cool talking point when you're sitting in your living room, have guests over. So who got you that? Oh, you know, that God Pharaoh. He's a pretty cool guy, he's just misunderstood. So, let's see here. Nissa's Defeat, Ramatap Ruins, Vile Manifestation, Scavenger Grounds. Okay. Look at that. These cards come like damaged out of the pack. I didn't even do anything to this pack. Look at that. Come on, Wizards. Get your stuff together. Doomfall, Dagger of the Worthy, Torment of Scarabs, and ooh, Hour of Devastation. That's a pretty cool one. Merciless Eternal, Fervent Paincaster, Saving Grace, and the Scorpion God. And Unconventional Tactics is a foil uncommon. That was a pretty good pull. Let me see here. What have we done here? Scorpion God, Scarab God, Locust God. Man. I mean, I don't know what the breakdown is on Mythics, but that seems pretty damn good to get those 3 in a box. I don't know. The first Magic box I've opened in a long time, so let me know if I'm doing pretty good. I don't know. Frick of Condemnation, this Defeat, a Braid. Those are good. Wildfire Eternal. It's kind of crazy that a Braid, it's like the same cost as a Shatter. I used to play like back in the day, you know. So it's the same cost as a Shatter, but it does something else. So it's just absolutely better. Oh man. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I think I saw something crazy back there. So, Manticore Eternal, Liliana's Defeat, None Braid, Apocalypse Demon, and there it is. Oh my goodness. What is that? Boiling? Destroy all islands. It's kind of a crappy card, but is that not awesome? Is that not awesome? I don't know how rare these things are, but I don't think you're supposed to get them very often, so that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy about that. Actually, I'm really happy about that. I mean, I don't know. It just seems cool. Wish it was like a better card, but Chandra's Defeat, Unconventional Tactics, Riddle Form, and Grind to Dust. I need to look up. I still don't know how these cards work. What do? You can either, like, it's either or. You can either pay this and do that, or you can pay that and do that. Or if you're white and black, can you pay them both and do them both? I don't know. That's why I need to play these games. That's why I need to go to these drafts that don't get started because these idiots are boxing. But anyway. Sinuous Striker, Appeal to Authority, Vizier of the Anointed, and I think I already got one of these excavator guys. So, let's see what we got here. River Hoopu, Dune Diviner, Dagger of the Worthy, Swarm Intelligence. I know I got one of these the last time. Last pack, boys. Okay. New Rivulet, Tenacious Hunter, Dunes of the Dead, Driven to Despair. Well, so overall, guys, I'm pretty happy with that, right? Those are our mythics. 3 of the gods. We got foil uncommon, foil rare, foil common, foil rare again, foil common, and then that thing. So that's pretty good. That's the box. I'm going to catalog everything that we got here, and we'll see what's left over. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have some stuff to give away, so I'll be back here in just probably about in a couple hours for me, but it'll be a couple seconds for you. See ya. Phew, that was an adventure. Alright, so got all my cards sorted out. We got the set going, put into the binder. I think about calculated I'm about 88% complete with this set just after the first box, so that was pretty cool. So I got that going. Got all my cards that can be used in a playset, basically 4 of anything in here. So I might start looking at making some decks. I don't know what I can really make out of just one set though, so I don't know. And on to the good stuff. Just out of this first box, we've got that many unwanted commons. Normally this would be the stuff that would just be, you know, sitting in a box, never to be played. Some people call it bulk. Nobody wants to buy it. Nobody wants to do anything with it. Some of these, you know, all different colors. Got some lands in there. Got some, I don't know. They're all commons, but you know, that's what I'm trying to do with this channel. So, I'm sure there's some of you out there that would love to have these. And now's your chance. So, what we're going to do, contest is for subscribers to the channel. Just make a comment in the video, and in the comment use the word BOIL, B-O-I-L. This was the most expensive card that I got. It's actually the least expensive of any of these invocations, but nonetheless, it's pretty cool. So just make a comment below with the word BOIL somewhere in the comment, and make sure you subscribe. What I'll do is, in about a week after this is posted, give or take, I'll run that through a little computer program that you can get there on YouTube. Search for the word BOIL in the comments, and whoever pops up, check to make sure you're a subscriber, and if so, I'll shoot you a message on YouTube and I'll get this stuff in the mail for you. So yeah, that's about all I got. I've been selling some old Warhammer stuff that I had recently, so I came into a little bit of money. So I think I'm gonna go order a box of I don't know yet. Order a box of something. Leave a comment if you have an idea of what kind of box I should order next, and we'll go ahead and do the same thing then. I do need to buy some more boxes of Hour of Devastation, so I'm sure, as you guys can see, just after the first box, if that's what I got left over, all commons. After the second box, man, I'm gonna have commons, uncommons, maybe even some rares. The uncommons and the rares, the mythics, that kind of thing, those will get given away too, but those are for Patreons. So if you want to check out the Patreon page that I have set up, you can go over there, see how you can get in on getting some of these uncommons, rares, mythics, that kind of thing. And yeah, again, the money from the Patreon just goes to buy more boxes, do more giveaways. That's the name of the game. So not too bad. First real video. I don't count the other one. That one was a piece of crap. But first real video and already giving away some stuff. So like, comment, subscribe. Remember, BOIL. Put it in the comments. Enter the contest. Win some stuff. Peace out, guys. Thanks.